While many restaurants are now offering takeaways, it's certainly a convenient option, but we also know that it can be costly and also unhealthy.
So now that we have a bit more time on our hands, batch cooking and freezer-friendly meals are your best bet, and we've got the perfect recipes for you.
Baby, you're not dancing on your own.
With supermarket queues like these, we all want to avoid running to the shops every second day.
Think about recipes that you can bulk cook for your freezer. So being really smart, using veggies to bulk out your ingredients rather than meat, and then making sort of a double batch so you've got some on standby.
CEO of the Good Foundation, Siobhan Boyle, is in charge of delivering Jamie Oliver's Ministry of Food program to teens and parents. And she says now is the perfect time to get more savvy in the kitchen.
I'd always suggest having those basic store-cupboard essentials. So if you've got your tins of tomatoes, you've got some tins of pulses, you've got pasta, you've got some rice, and you've got all of those basic essentials. Also having a well-stocked spice cupboard. You've got to think about your immunity in this time. So going for really fresh ingredients, packed full of vitamin C, is going to be essential. So things like capsicums, tomatoes, chilies, ginger.
Now, a lot of people are really struggling to get meat and chicken in the supermarkets. What would be a good vegetarian alternative?
Well, today I'm going to show you how to make a really delicious vegetarian chili. First step is the sweet potatoes. So I've got 500 grams worth of sweet potatoes, and we're going to peel them, we're going to chop them up, and then drizzle them with olive oil, pop them onto a tray, and sprinkle them with a little bit of cinnamon, cayenne, and cumin.
Then Siobhan is chopping up the onion, capsicum, garlic, chili, and coriander, and sautéing them in the pan.
Stay in the kitchen cooking up, get your own bread.
A lot of people have these legumes in the pantry already, so which ones are we using for this recipe?
Today we've got some beautiful black beans, and we've also got some red kidney beans. So that's quite classic in a chili. And then we're going to add them into the pan with a tin of tomatoes and then these spices. So we're just repeating the spices we used on the sweet potatoes. So we've got that cayenne pepper, we've got the cumin, and we've got the cinnamon.
The vegetarian chili looks really good. What are we serving it with?
We need to stir through those sweet potatoes that we popped in the oven earlier. I've got some beautiful fresh guacamole there. A little sprinkle of coriander just to finish.
So we love a good soup coming into those cooler months. You've got a nice healthy one here for us.
Yeah, this one is really super delicious. It's a red lentil, spinach and ginger soup. We're going to cut up the onions, the carrots and the celery, and then we're going to saute them off. We're then going to add in our ginger, our chilies and our garlic. We're going to add in the lentils, some chopped tomatoes and just some stock. And that will cook for about 20 minutes. And once that's finished, we add in the fresh spinach or frozen spinach. We're going to blitz it all together.
For busy mums and dads out there, if they want something that's just ready to go in the fridge or freezer, what do you recommend?
What we've got here is a Thai green curry paste made from all these beautiful fresh ingredients, easy to blitz up. All you got to do is pull it out of the freezer when you get home, and then you add it to some protein and coconut milk and your veggies in, and you can have dinner in under 20 minutes. Here we go, 3 delicious meal options, batch cooking friendly and perfect for freezer cooking, which is essential in these times.
I feel like some Thai food now.
I'm hungry now.
Yeah, I want some Thai.
Yeah, the Good Foundation will now be offering online cooking classes, and those recipes are available online. Head to jamiesministryoffood.com.au.